Hey, what's up everybody? Today, it's supposed to be 70 degrees out, close to it, if not 70. Beautiful day. We had a snowstorm, the 2026 blizzard on Monday. I know the weather won't stay like this. Actually, it's supposed to go back down into the 40s and 50s. But today I'm out. I'm feeling great. I know I'm not shaven and I'm all refreshed from the week. So today we're going to check out the Gobbler, see if anybody's there. I know that's coming back to life, and they're supposed to open that sometime soon, I think, and as a venue that's going to have live music and stuff. I got to go to some of that. But then we're going to check out the progress on the bridge, the Dane to Sauk County Bridge. They're going to open up pretty soon, I think. That's coming around, and I've been following that. And so, yeah, like I said, this is part of retirement. You know, I don't have to shave. I don't have to go in the office every day. So, speaking of that, I started a channel, Wisconsin Back Porch Retirement, and if you're thinking of retiring, getting close to it, or you are retired, there's a lot of that on YouTube, and you should check that out. I don't know how it's going to go. I'm giving it a try. We'll talk about some stuff, you know, everything from healthcare to retirement, what to do in retirement, stuff like that. I'm having the time of my life, I'm telling you. I'm still working part-time, but it's going good. So check that channel out. Link to it will be down below. And yeah, and then whatever else today. I hope to get some drone footage, but it's supposed to get windy pretty quick. So we'll see if we could do some of that too. Have some drone footage on here. Got a lot of stuff in the works, a lot of stuff going on, so stick with me, and you're bound to find something you like anyway. So thanks for following, thanks for clicking on this video. Let's check out the Gobbler, see what the progress is on that. All right, our first stop today, the Gobbler, straight ahead. Look at that. That unique building. So since I've already walked around it and done this a few times, check on the progress, nobody seems to be here. They took the for sale sign, they got that white, oh, somebody pulled in. Somebody got that whited out. I can't see, okay. I want to fly the drone. We're gonna go ahead and see if we can do that here. And probably right in here would be a good spot. Kind of out of the way of everybody. All right. Microphone's on. So it looks like they haven't started any of the maintenance. They were gonna do just update the outside primarily. So they haven't started that yet. They're probably waiting for nicer weather. But okay. We got a little drone footage. It's got windy. That little drone of mine doesn't like the wind. So, but we got some. So now we're heading off. We're gonna go check out the how far they got on the Dane to Sauk County Trail Bridge. So let's go ahead and check that out. I see a crane still down there, sticking up over the treetops. Looks pretty windy out there. Look at those flags blowing. Yeah, there's a big crane right there. All right, it looks the same. I don't know. Well, this is a good view of it here. I'm glad they left that other one down there. The old train bridge. Oh, somebody's fishing down there. Yeah.
Sorry, I've been going straight. I don't know. What's new?
All right, so looks like they're about ready to put the top coat on the floor. Looks like they're finishing up. I'll have to take a look, see if I can find when they're gonna open it. But the other side still has rails and ties over on the other side. We seen that in one of the videos I did. So they're gonna have to pull all that up. So let's see what else we can find. It's a beautiful day. It's already 59 degrees and climbing. Oh yeah. yeah, here's the old Baraboo Depot. Looks like they got the roof all covered. Stop the leaking. All right, on we go. Quarry Park. There's a lot of people that died here. Jumping off the cliffs. Swim at your own risk. Trail closed. God, I should have wore boots. I guess this is the remnants of the base of a big rock crusher, from what I understand. There is a board around here somewhere that has the names of the people that died here. But yeah, I was out today and thought, heck, I wanted to see this. A couple weeks ago, I seen some videos on YouTube about it. Some of them are pretty old, 15 years ago. It's probably the other side over there that has the board. This kind of reminds me of the marl factory remains. That one video I did out by Scuppernong Springs. I think that's how you pronounce that. All right, I started driving away and I seen where the sign is. There's town right over there, downtown. Looks like that bar's for sale or whatever that was. Life gives us choices. How you choose determines your future. That is a very true saying. In loving memory of all those who have died in this quarry. Let's see.